some news out of a key hearing in Donald Trump's ongoing Georgia RICO case, which, as you know, has many defendants. DA Willis appeared in person. We could tell you this is the first time she has done so since that original indictment of Donald Trump and his RICO co-defendants was filed all the way back in August. Lots happened since then, huh? Well, Willis argues that one of the Trump co-defendants, this individual, Harrison Floyd, should actually have his bail revoked, should be held in jail before trial because of online posts that she and her office alleges amount to illegal witness tampering and intimidation.
Look at the evidence. He violated this court order, and there are real consequences for allowing defendants to intimidate witnesses. Your Honor, we're asking that his bond be revoked and he be remanded today.
Remanded today? His lawyer for go to jail right now. That is a big ask. Judges weigh these kind of things on a case-by-case basis. But Willis says Floyd basically already targeted one of the victims who's already, allegedly, according to the indictment, been through so much at the hands of Donald Trump and his hench people. Election worker Ruby Freeman. We covered her story back in the January 6th committee hearings. She's named in the indictment. And the DA discussing how Freeman's lawyer was discussing what Floyd posted about her.
The level of threats since all of this began for Ruby and Shay have been quite high.
And in fact, as a result of these comments made by Mr. Floyd in relationship to this matter, did you call what you referred to me as a spike?
Yes. I believe this is the report that tied a particular spike in that online activity to the tweets from Mr. Floyd.
This may all be familiar when you think about the top RICO defendant in this case, Donald Trump himself, who has also done things with his power and reach that has caused these spikes, this menacing, this intimidation. Now, Floyd's defense lawyer, though, gets to make an argument as well that basically this was free speech, that the posts were posts, that they weren't designed to physically actually intimidate. Now, that issue is highlighted because both sides then questioned a Georgia official who had been insulted by Floyd online.
Do you enjoy being called a piece of fecal matter?
No, ma'am.
These posts aren't threatening to you. They may not be nice, but they're not threatening and intimidating to you, are they?
It's par for the course when you're in a public figure.
That was a key moment right there. In fact, you may remember that official who spoke out against the efforts to overthrow Georgia's results, to lie about them, spoke out about Donald Trump, but they're under oath said that this was more par for the course, more routine, whether you like it or not, rather than an extreme, physically violent, menacing type of thing. Floyd's lawyers also said, well, he's doing what Trump did. A review of Trump's social media posts make the decision to go after Floyd hard to justify. And I got to say, on behalf of those RICO defense lawyers, fair point. Because Donald Trump has done a lot of this, and that's why many people are watching this so closely, because what you do to one co-defendant could happen to another. And at the end of the day, the judge did not throw this person back in jail before trial, did not revoke bail as the DA requested, but ordered bond conditions modified so there would not be misuse of social media by that defendant in the future. If you're counting, that would be a kind of good news for the type of people who are trying to get up to the line in what they say about this case before it goes to trial.